Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have my July Allure beauty box to open. I thought I'd have my boxy by today and actually tracked it. I'm a little worried about it. Apparently it says it was delivered at my door yesterday and by FedEx, and yeah, it wasn't there. I asked my neighbor. They said, well, we were gone all day and we didn't see it when we came in. Now I'm really worried. I mean, we have a lot of new neighbors in my apartment complex, and I'm like, And see, the thing is, the guy who drives FedEx delivery knows me because, you know, I'm right down the road from my work pretty much. So I see him then too, and he has delivered my boxy to me at work. I wish he had done that yesterday, but he could have been on, you know, having to take a different route, and we didn't get anything delivered from FedEx yesterday. But now I'm really worried. I'm guessing, I don't know, confirm with them. I asked my apartment manager if she had stuff delivered to her because maybe he didn't want to walk up my steps. But it literally says left at door, and I'm like, I didn't get it. And it was like, you know, 4 hours before I come home. So if that's the case, hopefully Boxy can give me a new one. I don't know, but if not, I don't know. But I think I'm going to change like all my delivery addresses to my work, which is going to be irritating, or a little crazy. But I think at the end of the day, it'll be safer. Well, it will be safer because I'm in the office. But yeah, might drive my boss a little crazy. Say, why are you getting a package? Because something got stolen off in front of my door. And usually my neighbors are really good. They'll look out for it, especially if the people knock. And he might not knock because he knew I was at work. But like far as UPS and stuff, they knock. And even the post service, they knock usually here. They even a lot of them, especially post office, will knock on her door and let her have the package for me. So yeah, that's the thing. If like they can't track it down, or if it's not apartment manager, that's my next step. I'll just have to change everything to deliver to my work. But anyway, let's get into this. So you open it up. It was wrapped in plastic, and I don't know what happened to this box. That's how it arrived. And the plastic was a little ripped there too, so that's fine. You have this like little type of pamphlet magazine type that has, and she has some bushy brows, that has like everything in your box in it, including there's like a couple variations, just the little things. And the thing is, you get at least one full size and like a couple travel and sample size things. And then the editors at Allure like test one out, or say they test one out, and then give a little story of it. So first thing in my box that I see is from Sunday Riley, and it is the Ceramide Moisturizing Ice Cream, I suppose. I don't know if you can see that. And the editor's saying, if you could bottle glowy dewy radiance, you'd arrive at this moisturizer from Sunday Riley. On first glance, it reminds me of icing because it's thick and smells like vanilla, but this cream melts into skin as fast as a serum. It's really good at hydrating dry complexions, even the rough scaly spots. The formula is loaded with ceramides, which strengthen the physical barriers that keep moisture in the skin. Full size of this is $65. Ooh. I was figuring like a shimmery type of thing, but it does look like icing. It does smell a little like vanilla, not even really strong vanilla. It almost has like a fruity overtone to it. I have noticed the thing with Allure, they always give you a sheet mask. Or I've always received one, right? I got one last month. I've had it for 3 months now, so yeah, I think so. So this is from Lab Coast, Daily Skin Mask Charcoal. This is a lot of charcoal detox masks leave your skin downright thirsty. They're often too much for this editor's skin, but this one isn't like that. It pulls dirt out of pores with charcoal power, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients, salicylic acid, and tea tree oil with hydrating one sodium hyaluronic. Supposed to detoxify and tighten your pores. It is Korean from Lap USA or Lap Coast USA. Expiration date is 2021. Looks like October 2nd. That's cool. I like a charcoal mask when I don't want to like. I actually use the clay mask because I've been breaking out right here. So these are a good shoe. Helping this little breakout, and that one retails for $3, and you can buy it at Lap Coast USA. Okay, next up is this from Botanique Beauty, and this is a beauty butter lip and cheek balm. Blush is the unsung hero of this editor's makeup bag, which, you know, I love blush. My blush is showing up today. It is a sheer but buildable formula. It's the long list of moisturizing oils: apricot, coconut, grapeseed, and pomegranate. Keeps your lips soft, never sticky. This person also applied it across her eyelids. This price is $16. I believe this is a full size. I'm not sure. Korean blusher that blends seamlessly onto cheeks and doubles up as an effortless lip color, crafted with 90% natural plant-based oils to nourish, condition, and hydrate the skin while bestowing the most gorgeous creamy radiance to cheeks and lips. This is cruelty-free and vegan, which is good. I do see grapeseed, I see japonica. Just have a wax. Coconut oil is the first ingredient in here. Then you got a wax. Then you got apricot kernel. Then japonica. You got some mica. And some colors. Oh, I didn't notice the back. The box is so cute. It's little peaches. You can see the little peaches. Pretty color. It actually looks like, it does feel more like, it's creamy enough, but it actually like has more consistency of like a lipstick. That's like, oh shoot. I actually think it's a good color. You need to choose best if you don't have really oily skin. I'm not sure how it applies to oily skin, but I have dry cheeks. Well, I have normal cheeks. It's actually nice, not bad if I ever use. Next up, from Allure. I believe I've tried something like probably a mask or something. This is Stay Clear of Acne Cover Patch. Full size has 40 in them, I believe. You can receive 20% off your skincare purchase plus free shipping using code Allure20, valid through September 30th. So, you get 8 patches in this thing. I like acne patches a lot. I want to try Zitstica because apparently those are the best. But yeah, when you have a stubborn pimple that's not coming to a head, like I probably should have applied one there instead of trying to pop it. But you get 2 of the little bitty 10 milliliters, you get 4 of the 12 millimeters, and 2 of the 14 milliliters. Expires 2023. This is products not tested on animals. So what does this happen in? Hydrochloride, cellulose, and tea tree oil. This one might not work as good as some of the ones I've had because I swear like Clean and Clear has like salicylic acid in it, which is for that. I mean, tea tree's an okay ingredient for mine, at least. For that, it's not the best, I think, to target specific acne, or at least on me it's not. I like salicylic acid. But I'll give them a go. Next thing up, and this is a good size. It's not a full size. This is 0.6 full ounces or 18 milliliters. This is the Osea Ocean Cleanser. It's a mix of hydrating and clarifying oils. It neutralizes oil and can hydrate too. It's a gel that melts into a silky foam. It has a refreshing citrusy scent and with a cooling sensation. Full size is $48, and I believe it's 5 ounces. So this is probably worth about $8 still, since it's 0.6 ounces, maybe like 7. Say skincare, bioavailable formulas rich in earth and ocean essences, deliver powerful skin solutions. Okay, this is for normal, dry, and combo. It says organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurity and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshing, radiant. And cruelty-free. It's made in California. Water and then algae extract is your second ingredient. You got a vegetable forming agent. You got a sorbitan olivate, which is an emulsifier from olive oil. And then you got sesame seed oil, jojoba seed oil, natural smectolite clay, or otherwise magnesium aluminum silicate. And you got vitamin E, you got lime oil, orange oil, juniper fruit oil, cypress oil, jasmine oil, lactic acid derived from fermented beef, xanthan gum, glycerin, potassium citrate, chlorophyll extract is your last ingredient. A lot of these are organic ingredients, or most of them are. Very interesting. You know, some people say don't use a lot of citric acid oils on your face, but honestly, you can wash this off real quick. It won't do that bad. My face loves Juice Beauties, and that's all fruit oil, so I hopes for that. And look, it's so cute for like a travel size. That like looks exactly like what this picture of the full size thing looks like. So that's cool. I'm always down for a cleanser. Well, not always down, but somewhat down for a cleanser. And the reason why I was super excited about this box meeting included the card. I have a full-size Peach and Lily glass serum. Now, I was not lucky enough to receive this, and I think it was in Boxy forever ago, or maybe it was like Land Back, I don't know, like Land Back Plus. So I've never tried it, but I hear great things. It's a revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. Glass skin is poreless, luminous, and translucent. Looking skin can be yours with a serum that does it all. Helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm. This is toxin-free, vegan, 100% worry-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free. Luminous and translucent. Water is your first ingredient. They have a propanol, a glycol, and the niacinamide. Then you got a peach fruit extract, and then japonica fruit extract. So like all those like top tier, a little past midway, you have your hyaluronic acid. There's not a whole lot of ingredients really. So this is just pat onto clean dry skin, AM and PM. No sulfate, synthetic fragrance, formaldehyde, synthetic dyes, and colorants are parabens, mineral oils, silicones, and more. Formula is also vegan and gluten-free, which I'm always excited to see. The gluten-free thing, given her stressed-looking complexion the extra oomph it needed to be dewy. She noticed an immediate glow and plumping effect thanks to hyaluronic acid in the blend. My skin probably still isn't radiant enough to go viral, but it does look the healthiest and happiest it has in a while. This is $39. You can enter Allure 10 at checkout to receive 10% off your purchase of glass skin refining serum, valid through September. So I was just excited to try it. I'm like, I hear all these good things. I'm like, I have pretty healthy looking skin now. Like, any glow you see, except maybe the tip of my nose is probably a little bit of oil, but like I don't get oily here like that, unless my highlighter's still showing. I mean, it's be showing. But like on my forehead, that's not. That's like from it's good serum, but also like good, like the Tarte Maracuja oil, which is vitamin C oil for those wonders on my skin. So I'm still excited to try this. Like good serum. That's why I was really excited too, because this runs you $15 with tax. Is a little over $16. And where you're at, free shipping. You get like sample size things, but I mean still 8 patches, a mask. You know, you get things that are like lesser in value, but I think, you know, this is still worth a lot. This I do believe is a full size product as well, and this is a daggone good size. So I've been really happy with Allure, and I've been loving it. It's a lot. It tends to be more skincare heavy, so if that's your thing, probably like that. If you want to get away from maybe Ipsy, which is mostly samples. I mean, I still love my Ipsies most of the time because you can't get full size products, and then now they've got, you can add on stuff for way cheaper all the time, or you get full-size brushes, which is always nice. So that's the only reason why I'm not veering away from Ipsy quite yet. So anyway, thank you for watching. I will keep y'all updated somewhere about my boxy situation. I don't know. I don't even remember what I was supposed to get. I think I was excited about something. I don't remember what though. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!